Hello, hi everyone, welcome. This is Anvita of TSW RSCAL Jagityal. Today I am here with a topic, but before knowing our topic, let me have a discussion. Friends, in our daily life, we'll see many different objects with many different shapes, isn't it? Yes, for example, this is a scale. It is in the shape of rectangle, and a wore bangle. It is in the shape of circle, isn't it? Yes. So friends, again we'll go from one place to another place. We'll travel to one place to another place. So when we will go, we will observe the traffic signals and road signs, isn't it? So they will be appear in the shape of triangle, isn't it? Have you ever observed? Okay, so today I am going to be teach you that what are the types of triangles. Okay friends, first before that, let me know what is actually a triangle. Look at here. This is a triangle. A triangle is a three-sided polygon that closes in a space. It uses lines, line segments or rays in any combination to form three sides. When three sides form and meet, they create three vertices, or we can say corners. So the corners inside a triangle are interior angles. Okay friends, so this is what a triangle is. So now let us learn what are the types of triangles. Friends, one way which they can be classified is the length of their side. So let us see how. So friends, based on sides, triangles are divided. So the first kind of triangle is a triangle which has all its sides are equal to each other. To show that they are equal, we put the same mark on each of them. Okay, and we know that they all are equal. So such triangles are called as equilateral triangles. Okay, here you can see that. And the main point that you need to know here is that all sides in a equilateral triangle should be equal. Okay, and the word itself tells us that equi means equal and lateral it literally means sides. Okay, so this is what about a equilateral triangle. Okay, so now the other kind of triangle is a triangle which has two sides are equal. Okay, so then that is said to be an isosceles triangle. Okay, so in this the main point that you need to know is that any two of three sides should be equal. For example, say two these sides. Okay, now the other kind of triangle is the one in which the no sides are equal. So such triangles are called as what? Scalene triangles. Okay, so the main point that you need to know here is that length of each side in a scalene triangle should be different from each other. Okay, so this is what the classification of triangles based on sides. Okay, the another way which they can be classified is the measurements of its angle. So let us learn the topic about the angles based on triangles. So friends, if it is less than 90 degrees, then it is said to be an acute angle. Here you can see, if it is less than 90 degrees, then it is said to be an acute angle which will looks like this. Okay, and if it is exactly equal to 90 degrees, then it is said to be a right triangle or right angle triangle, we can say, which will exactly look like this. Okay, and next third thing is that if it is greater than 90 degrees, then it is said to be an obtuse triangle. Okay, so it is said to be an obtuse triangle. The main point that you need to know here is that the obtuse angle measurement is greater than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. Okay, and here is a good news that I bought for you. Triangles are also classified in a similar way. Okay, so let us see how. So friends, look at these triangles. All the angles inside the triangles are acute, isn't it? Yes. So any guesses what such triangles are? Yes, very good. Acute triangle or acute angle, we can say it. And look at this triangle. The angle inside it is a right angle, isn't it? Yes. So a triangle in which the one angle is right angle, then it is said to be a right angle triangle or right triangle. So the main point that you need to know is that just one angle in the right means in a triangle just one angle has to be right angle triangle. Okay, and next obtuse angle. Look at this triangle. So observe these all things. Look at now look at this triangle which will looks like this. So in this, if you observe carefully, you can see that one angle is obtuse. So in a triangle, if one angle is obtuse, then it is said to be an obtuse angle. So here in this triangle, the angle is greater than 90 degrees, which makes it an obtuse angle. So I hope you understand and you have enjoyed this session. Thanks for watching.